Alright guys, welcome back. This is a Moffat build that I made recently for a challenge over on Guilds of Historica. And the challenge was to build a tower. And so I built a tower and a little base and some palm trees. And then I realized it was kind of fun to build towers, so I built another one. And then I finally got a chance to use all these coral pieces. So I figured if one tower is cool and two towers are awesome, then three towers must be super awesome. It's simple math, really. So anyways, I got a hold of these 1x1 tiles and 2x2 tiles in light aqua, I think it is, and not sure what the blue one is called really, but anyways, I really like that light aqua, so used that quite a bit for the bases. And then also on this tower, see, it's tiled on all sides there. It's the same on the back side, by the way. These palm trees, I think, look pretty great, actually. The design is based off Full Plate, fellow Swedish builder. He made a tutorial for the top part of this. And you can use different pieces for the base. I actually went with barrels because I wanted them to be a bit thicker. Otherwise, you see mostly the palm trees are done with cones, but yeah, I figured this would work better in this setting. So you got the tower here, got some structure on the side there. You can peek through the palm trees. Some different techniques for the panels here. So if we have a look down here, base section is just normal bricks stacked on top of each other with some structure added in there using tiles mostly. And then if we move up here, we have plates, and that's covered with tiles. So a couple of different techniques for covering those sections in between the pillars. Got the dome up here with the bird. And then just some fun stuff going on down here. Some figures, or some figs, I should say, just hanging out down here. So yeah. Then moving back here, it's just a big tower, pretty much. Kind of like this section here with the Technic pieces. Add a bit of structure. Get the chameleon going, walking around here. And then this, I actually just put it on stilts, this coral tower, just for the photo shoot, because I wanted it to be a little higher than the other one. And I sort of ran out of coral 1x4s. So you got, that makes up most of this whole tower. And since I only had 1x4s and quarter tiles, it's a bit tricky to get the math right because they didn't really want to add up. So after I started to run out of pieces from the bottom section, I started adding some dark tan pieces to save on the coral, as well as add a bit more weathered look. I figured the top section, it would kind of make sense if it was more rugged. worn. You got the planet domes up here. I need to get my hands on some green ones as well, but yeah, I kind of like the color on this one. So yeah, that's pretty much the whole thing. Thank you guys very much for having a look. Until next time.